Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Liz from Home Decorating with Liz. Are you guys having an awesome day today? I sure am. Today I am participating in a tag and it's called the Clean House Tag. And this is hosted by Lacee Space. And I got my cup of coffee, so I'm going to be taking sips from time to time. Hope you guys don't mind. So anyway, let's get started with this tag. Okay, I've got my questions written down on a piece of paper. And the first question is, how often do you clean your house? Do you do it daily, weekly, or monthly? Ooh boy, if I cleaned my house monthly, I think it would be looking a disaster and smelling horrible, don't you think? But anyway, I pretty much clean daily. I don't do any hard cleaning or rough cleaning on a day-to-day basis. I have to do a lot of sweeping. Of course, the dishes have to be done. You have to wipe off counter spaces and things like that. But I don't do my hard cleaning until I try to at least do it once a week. My deep cleaning, you know, like the bathrooms and mopping and things like that. But for the most part, mopping, sometimes I have to do it more than once a week because, you know, the floor gets dirty, things like that. So, question number 2. Do you have a certain style or method of cleaning, like a schedule or one chore a day? No, I don't have a certain style. It's just, you know, whatever comes off the top of my head, whatever I see, you know, I just kind of pretty much look at the house, look at the floors, look at the counter spaces, look at the bathroom, and I just see what needs to be done. And then I just make up my mind when I want to do it because, you know, I don't want to be cleaning anyway. So I just do it whenever I feel that is needed to be done. So that pretty much answers that question. Just whenever I can get it done and whenever I'm ready to do it. All right. So no, I don't have a schedule. Question number 3. What is your least favorite room or area to clean? The bathroom. Woo! That's my least favorite room to clean. Literally, I hate cleaning the bathroom. The toilet, you know, that kind of nasty deep cleaning stuff, I cannot stand it. I just hate it. It just cringes me. You know, it's a good thing that my stomach is not real weak where I can't take it. But when I'm cleaning the bathroom, I have to make sure that I don't eat or I'm not drinking any water or anything like that. I have to either eat before and wait a good while or go ahead and clean first and then wait a while because it's just the idea, you know how it is. Anyway, moving right along on that question. So that's my least favorite room. Question number 4 says, what is your favorite room or area to clean? My favorite room or area to clean, I wouldn't say I have a favorite, but I don't mind doing the living room. The living room is not, it doesn't get as nasty. You know, you basically do your vacuuming, straightening up, maybe dusting, you know, wiping things off. So I would have to say that would be my favorite room to to clean. Alrighty. Question number 5. What is your least favorite chore to do? That would be an example, dusting, mopping, or dishes. Dishes is the answer. I hate doing dishes. Oh gosh. Oh, I mean, you know, the dishes have to be clean. You know, we have a dishwasher, but we need a new one. So until we get it, we have to just go ahead and do it manually. But I hate washing dishes because it takes so much time. Oh, and you get so tired standing there and trying to get all the hard to stuff up off the out of the pot and the skillet, and you got to do all the soaking, so it's time consuming. So I would have to say that will be my answer. My least favorite chore is dishes. Yes, indeed. Question number 6 says, what is your favorite chore to do? Now how many of us have a favorite chore? I wouldn't say favorite, but since that's the question, I never even thought about it. What is my favorite? But if I had to think of something, I would probably say just wiping down surfaces. You know, nothing hard or nothing, with a whole lot of chemicals and stuff. Just pretty much lightly wiping down surfaces. And I'd have to say vacuuming, because vacuuming, you just take the machine and you just push it back and forth, and it pretty much does its own thing. So probably vacuuming would have to come first before the other one. All right, and so what is your favorite chore to do? Okay, number 7, what is your favorite cleaning brand supply of tool? I would have to say my favorite supply of tool would probably be the vacuum cleaner, because it's pretty much set up, unless you have 2 different parts, you got to connect them together. There's just turn it on and you go ahead and vacuum. And my cleaning brands, I like Pine Sol, the lavender flavor, and I like the lemon, but lavender is my favorite. And then also I love to use Pledge, because I'm looking at it right now, my furniture polish in the orange scent, and my orange glow for the wood furniture. And also one more, I like the Clorox disinfecting wipes. Yes, we gotta kill those germs and that bacteria. There's so much of that going on in the house all the time. People coming in, not washing their hands, go straight to do this and that. So these Clorox disinfecting wipes is probably my number 1 favorite, because it kills germs. Yeah. Question number 8. What is a cleaning solution or product you don't recommend? I don't recommend using bleach when all the windows are closed up, the doors are closed, and there's not enough ventilation in the house. That's what I do not recommend. I know some people who use that product and they don't have their house well ventilated, and that can be dangerous. You can actually pass out. Something really terrible could possibly happen to you. You can end up in the hospital sick, and that's not good. So I have to say that would be my answer to that question. As far as a particular product, I don't recommend. I don't really have a particular product, because I don't use a whole lot of different products. I basically use, scrubs and little light brushes and things like that. So that would be the answer to question 8. Now, question number 9 says, can you share some of your favorite cleaning hacks with us? Okay, let's see. Some of my cleaning hacks. Okay, I don't like using those scrubbers that have the little holes, those real rough, abrasive type of scrubbers. I don't like using those. And the reason is because when you're scrubbing and you're moving it back and forth, depending on what you're cleaning, if it's something really nasty, the water and the substance can possibly pop in your eye, in your lip, it's kind of nasty and gross, and that has happened to me before, so I do not like that. So, I don't know if I can think of another one. Using a dirty mop. A mop that you have not cleaned from previous times. You know how you rinse it out, put some soap on there, rinse with hot water. Well, using old dirty mops back and forth, that is so, it's nasty. So I'd have to say those 2 things. All right, and number 10, the final question is, have you or do you or would you have a cleaning company come into your home to clean? Why or why not? Why or why not? Yes, I would. Ooh, and that's, you know what? That is what I want now. I mean, I've been thinking about it. I've been talking to my husband about, I want to get a lady to come in and clean, but I only need her to come and clean just my bathrooms. That's pretty much, because I don't like cleaning bathrooms, like I told you guys earlier. It's my least favorite room. So yes, I would have somebody to come in and clean the house, and if I could afford to have her do the whole house or a portion of the house, yes, definitely. And the reason is because I don't like cleaning, deep cleaning. I don't like doing harsh cleaning, the real nasty kind. I just don't like it. I can't stand cleaning. But we wives, mothers, we have to do it. Somebody in the house has to clean. So yes, I would, and yeah, because it would make me happy, and I like how they clean, because some of those ladies, they get down. They can clean extremely well. Some of the hardest areas that's hard for me to get, because I have a joint condition. So I'm limited in how I can move and things like that. And, having a cleaning lady to come in, oh boy, that sounds wonderful. And I think I'm going to try to get that to happen. So anyway, I have come to the end of this tag. This was so much fun. I love doing tags, you guys. So whenever there's another tag, guys, I don't mind if you tag me. Go ahead, because I like them. Now, I have the privilege of tagging some people. So I wrote down a few people, just 3 ladies. The first one I'm tagging is Erica from The New Housewife. Hi, Erica. I'm tagging you. The second one, Shalomi. Hi, Shalomi, from The Glamorous Penny Pincher. And the last one is Anita from Rolling with Anita. Hi. So anyway, ladies, you guys are tagged. So I hope that you guys will accept and show us your video as well. And thank you, Lacee, for doing this tag. I think it was fun. Just a wonderful tag to do for us ladies who do a lot of cleaning and things like that. So I hope you guys enjoyed that, and I thank you guys so much for watching and appreciate all your support. And if you're new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button. I would love to have you on my channel. And until next time, you guys be blessed. Have a wonderful day, and I will talk to you later in my next video. Bye.